The best thing about these hooks is that you can use them on any metal surface without any drilling, and you can move them anytime without any damage done to the surface. Usually with hooks, you know, you have to drill holes in the wall, and if you ever wanted to move that hook, you'd have to patch the drywall and paint it. But with these, you can literally move them around anytime, and they don't do any damage to the surface that they're on. Now, of course, you do need a metallic surface to use these on, and I didn't think that we had a metal door in our house, but it turns out that most doors in between the house and the garage are metal. So these hooks are really handy on that door. You can hang up aprons or backpacks, jackets, or your grocery bags so that you never forget to take them to the store with you. Or you can use them on your fridge for anything that you need to hang up in your kitchen. They're also great for the garage or basement. There's just so many different places all around your house that you can use these hooks. I love that they have a more sleek and modern design to them and that they are matte black. And the hook itself is very strong because it is also made of metal. But I was very impressed with the strength of the magnet. It really holds on tight and can hold a good amount of weight. The hook also swivels a little bit, which I think helps make it so that you don't easily pull the hook off. It can hold a lot of weight and it kind of swivels, so it can handle the force of removing items without just popping off. These hooks are really great, handy all over the house, and like I said, that magnet is very strong, so I can recommend them.